guys. Thank you so much. Good morning by the morning. Today is an amazing Monday, November 11. Officially, today is the 11th. Today is a very special day. Today is a very magical day for many people. I'm checking my monitor here. Okay, it's working. We have audio. Excellent. I'm super excited about this week, especially because the content that I'm gonna be sharing all this week, it is one of my favorites, and it is starting to be something trending inside of the scene of short-term rentals and Airbnbs. And it all started with an email that I got from one of the big figures of the short-term rental world and Airbnbs. I will tell you his name in a little bit. But first of all, let me know, where are you tuning from? If you are in the States, in Europe, Australia, where in the world are you tuning in? Mexico? Let me know down below in the white box. So would it be beneficial for you to discover this amazing and especially free tool that can help you, your business, and your Airbnb to grow even more? And the best part is that you can get more guests from this super cool tool. Will it be beneficial for you to know which one it is? Just type the word beneficial down below in the white box. But in the meantime, also, if this is the first time that you've seen one of my microkites, type the number 1. If you have seen it before, type the number 2. And if you're watching this live, type the word live down below in the white box. If you're watching the replay, it doesn't matter. Remember that in here also, all the people who watch the replay, we send them a big to our hall. So, okay. In case that you answer that this is the first time that you're seeing one of my microcos, you don't know me, you're like, okay, who is this guy now telling us about Airbnbs and short-term rentals? Let me introduce myself. My name is Sergio Mohar. I'm your super host leader at the Real Estate Savvy Investors community, as the Imperiobnb community. We call it like that in English. Here is Facebook groups. And also I'm the creator and founder of a private coaching community called Imperiobnb 2.0, which is a private coaching group where we have special trainings like the week of the insurance, the week how to get more guests from your from Facebook without the need to pay any ads, how to have an occupancy rate of 90 to 100%, and many more workshops. Okay, there we go. So that's, now that we know who we are, we know who is watching live, and all that good jazz. I am super excited about to share with this. So I was telling you about this tool, totally free to use, and it can help you to grow your business, correct, and get more guests for your Airbnb listing. So if you ask yourself, okay, what is this tool? What it is this thing? Well, it is Instagram, okay? Type the word hashtag Instagram down below if you are using Instagram to get more guests for your Airbnb listing. Even if you don't have one yet, if you still don't have your Airbnb business, pay attention, because I have a really good, interesting story today for all of you, and that's exactly why I want to share all this. Like I was saying at the beginning, it all started with an email that I got from one of the big figures. It's someone that I follow and I respect on the internet, right? There's many people out there who teach about Airbnbs and short-term rentals. And he is one of the big names, or at least for me, I want to believe that he's one of the big names, correct? Mr. Jasper Javers, correct? Mr. Jasper Javers, he has, where is it? I'm not gonna, he has his website called Get Paid for Your Path. Get paid for your path. So go check him out, getpaidforyourpath.com. And on his latest podcast, he was talking about this amazing listing by Joshua Hidlinger, okay, where Joshua, he leveraged Instagram to get more guests into his Airbnb listing. So let me repeat that one more again, that for you. So you're like, okay. He leveraged Instagram to get more guests for his Airbnb listing. Wow! So that's when that I really like a lot digital marketing, right? Facebook, Instagram, everything. Okay. So When I saw this and I listened to the podcast, is a really good one. I was like, you know what? I need to share this with my audience. Where officially, how many of you guys are using Instagram to promote your Airbnb? Let me know if you are using it and how are you using it. There was a lot of really good tips inside of this podcast. I highly go check him out. And also all this week I'm going to be sharing with you tips and benefits of using Instagram to promote your Airbnb. It is not about just likes and, well, see, if you're in Instagram, it's just likes, right? People can comment, correct? But it's not just about likes and comments, because that's just inflating your bank account, your ego bank account. Mentor used to say, correct? So the point in here, it is that those likes and comments, you can convert them into clients, into guests, right? And here the point it is that you're gonna use Instagram as a tool, once again, not as a game or a waste of time, but as a tool to generate more guests for your business of short-term rental listing for your Airbnb. Easy and simple like that. So all this week we're gonna be sharing tips, information. Go and check him out. Once again, go and check Get Paid for Your Path, Mr. Jasper Rivers, and his latest podcast was all about how to use Instagram to promote your listing. Go and check him out. I highly recommend it. It's gonna be really, really good. So I'm super interested to know if you are using Instagram to promote your Airbnb, and if not, why are you not doing it? I can highly recommend, like, dude, if you are posting their pictures of like whatever, and like I said at the beginning, even if you are not yet with your short-term rental business, you are not building one or anything, but you have the idea, start an Instagram account, because something really important, and here's the ninja tip of today that I want to share with you. It is all about documenting your journey on Instagram. This is how this guy did it, correct? Well, it's all about documenting. He started just posting pictures when he was starting doing his short-term rental business, his Airbnb, correct? And then with the time, he started gaining some following, and then this following start getting books with this guy. So even if you don't have your short-term rental business yet, right, you're thinking about it, now is the perfect time. And if you have it already, doesn't matter. Use what you used to have, or use what you have at this moment, and with the time you start developing more your account. But all this week I'm going to be sharing information, tips, and benefits about using Instagram for your short-term rental listing. So, well, okay, that's it. I will see you tomorrow, 8 in the morning, for the English version. If you speak Spanish, in the afternoon today. Si hablas español, hoy en la tarde nos vemos para la versión en español. Mientras tanto, sean felices, no hagan nada malo que no hiciera yo. Well, in the meantime, be good, don't do anything wrong that I wouldn't do. And remember that if you're not making money with short-term rental listings and Airbnb, you're not even making sense. Out of the gate.